I'm going to be trying out the Ninja Professional Blender 1000. It's called 1000 because it's 1000 watts, which is extremely powerful. Of course, it comes with the instruction manual, and good old Ninja has tons of different recipes in here, smoothies, apps, you name it, it's all in there. So before I actually blend something, I just kind of want to bring your attention, look at this, these blades. I don't think I have ever seen a blender that has like 3 blades like that. That seems pretty intense. I'm excited. So this just pops in right here in the middle. Another thing that I have never seen before is this lid. So you actually have a release button. So you put it on, and then see, actually it won't even go down because that means I have the lid on the wrong way, which is pretty cool. I think this is the right way. And then you just snap it here into place. And that's how you know it's correct. And then to release it and to open it. Again, something I've never seen before. And you've got this nice little spout here. So right off the bat, I am definitely in awe. It is a beautiful machine. And one more thing before I actually blend the smoothie, look how few buttons there are. I don't know about you, but I always find it extremely stressful when there's so many different options. So you, of course, you have your power, pulse, low, medium, high. That is it. So let me get some ingredients, throw it in here, and let's see what happens. So I found some fruit that's been in our freezer for way too long. It is kind of frozen solid together, which again is really going to put this through the test. I'm just going to add some water in here. We're going to pop on the lid and we're going to give it a blend and see what happens. I'm excited and nervous. Let's see. So we're going to power it up. I think it was on. So I think I'm going to go with high just because this seems a little bit intense. So let's see what happens. Okay, I just need to stop for a second because that was absolutely shocking. Every other blender I've had, you have that hole at the top where you have to like put that rubber thing in here to get it to blend. That was incredible. Like obviously having the 3 blades, which you cannot see right now, it didn't matter that that fruit was stuck at the top here. It grabbed everything and just, it blended it all. All right, and so with the pulse, you can control that. You just push it. You can hold it for however as long or little as you want, which would be really great for like your dips and soups and things like that. So yeah, honestly, first try this Ninja. Look at that. I hardly even had it in there for a long time. I am super excited to be making these smoothies. This is awesome.